Hello there and welcome back. In our last video, we saw how to implement relational operators in our mathematical expression evaluator. In this video, we'll be trying to resolve the issue called implicit multiplication in our expressions. So in our past video, we had done this relation of operators equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than. Also, we also did modulus, and we could be able to get all the responses correctly. One of the issues we had seen in our last video is to do with this should be equal to 6 times 1 divided by 2, which is false at the moment, but they should actually resolve to the same value. Currently, it's not resolving implicit multiplication. And to do that, let's go to our parser. Let's actually do the implementation class itself. In our parser, we'll come down to where we are doing passing factors specifically. So you're passing additives, you're doing passing factors. So when you're passing factors, we need to check if we have implicit multiplications. And how do we do that? I will change this loop here, and let me convert this loop in such a way that that becomes independent. And then next I will do an if condition block here. So this if condition checks that the current token is actually of type multiplication, division, or modulus. If that's the case, it will do the operation as it was initially, no changes per se. But now we need to have the else condition part of it. So this is for the if condition. What happens when that's not the case? So I will also check, and let's just do if condition still. I will also check here if the current token, the current token, yes, it's actually an open brace. Actually, yes. So open parenthesis that way. If that's the case, then we have an implicit multiplication. And how do we handle implicit multiplication? I will think should be here dot type. Yeah. So I will just copy what we had already here, and then I will paste it here. So we already have the left expression that we had here when we were passing the primary. So the right expression will be whatever comes next. We'll still be calling pass primary, but for our operator here, we'll be passing in the multiplication operator. So we'll change here to multiplication. Let me save this. Let me see if it will format. Or good. So the only issue then is that we might end up having an infinite while loop here. So let's change this back to an else if condition, and then we'll also have the else condition, and this will just do break. That should be resolved now. So we are checking if we have token multiplication, division, or modulus. If that's the case, we handle the normal binary expressions. Then if that's not the case, we check if it's an opening parenthesis. In this case, that means that we need to have implicit multiplication because there is no operator there. And if that's the case, we kind of convert it into an implicit multiplication. And then if we don't find any of those, we just break out of this loop and go the next. Yeah. So that should be all. So let's save this file and let's rerun our program. So I'll first exit from this and then I will run my program, and then we'll still do what we had initially, and the answer is now 3. So an easier way to check is just to do is equal to 6 times 1/2. Should be equal, yeah. So now what happens is you're just dividing 6 by 2, because if you kind of open this bracket, it'll be 6 times 1 divided by 2, which is 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So we have been able to fix the issue with implicit multiplication. That was the simple fix for that particular issue. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Talk.